Welcome to Session 2, Brainstorming with Perplexity AI. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use AI to generate creative essay topics. Step 1. Start with the form. Open the Session 2 form. Read and sign the informed consent. Then select your year, English level, and university. Step 2. Open Perplexity.ai. Go to Perplexity.ai, click your profile icon, choose personalization, and set your language to American English. Step 3. Generate ideas. In the search bar, type, "Generate a brainstorming list for my essay topic." Perplexity will give you several ideas. Copy your favorites into the form. Step 4. Deepen your thinking. Type, "Generate 5 key questions to explore about my essay topic." Use these questions to refine your focus and guide your research. Step 5. Find reliable sources. Ask, "Give me 3 reliable sources to research my essay topic." Copy the sources and paste them into the form. Step 6. Share your work. Copy the public share link from Perplexity and paste it in the last box of the form. You've completed Session 2, AI-assisted research and brainstorming.
I'm stuck on how to develop this paragraph. How should I proceed?